description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got some Baixian yummy soup. This is from China, and this is their pickled cabbage fish flavor. So yeah. I had an interesting little go-around with some folks from, I believe, Taiwan. I could be wrong about that. But, so they were really nitpicky about the difference between cooking noodles and instant noodles. And I just want everybody to know, yes, I know the difference. A cooking noodle is when you're doing what you see here. You put it in boiling water, and that is how you cook it. This one, granted, you can do it the other way, but which is placing it in a pot, like the last episode of the show you saw. You just put hot water or boiling water and noodle in pot, cover, or stir, and then it hydrates on its own. Well, here's the thing. This one is telling you to cook it, right? They're saying there's a big difference between instant noodles and cooking noodles, and if you look on here, this one just says flavored noodles, but plenty of them will say instant noodles, and the only way to cook them is to boil them. But some people are being real sticklers about that, and that's okay. A lot of people are like, I haven't tried any of these kinds. Like, well, sorry, you know. It's kind of a weird deal. Some people get mad at me over there because I'm not going by what's popular with the public, and that's not what I do, so sorry. And yeah. You can go to the grocery store and have them run a report on which varieties are selling more. There you go. There's your raw data analysis of what's popular with the public. I don't give a rat's ass about what's popular with the public, okay? This has never been anything more than me saying, oh, I like this one. Oh, I don't like this one. And that drives some people batty, but that's okay. But yeah, I'm not into the whole popularity contest concept of top 10 lists or anything like that. I get the idea that it's less subjective because, you know, it's just me doing this. But I really don't care. And if that ruins your day, I am highly, you know, wishing you get over it and figure out something else to do with your life. So for you, tomorrow's New Year's Eve. Do you have plans? Are you going to do something cool? Let me know in the comments. I don't have any plans yet because it's August. For me, it's August 13th, 2025. I've got months to go before that. I have 4.5 months till I'm in your shoes. So, yeah. But, yes, there will be things coming out on New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. So, I don't know how much you're going to watch this stuff, but I don't know. I always figure maybe there's 1 or 2 people who are diehard and they don't get out, and maybe they'll want to do that. Or, I mean, honestly, with the amazing technology we have these days, ladies and gentlemen, you can get out and then sit somewhere in a quiet nook and gaze upon my content if you so choose. If you don't, then that's fine too. Do what you want. I mean, it's a holiday, kind of. It's a numerical changing of the last number or first number, depending where you're at, in the date. But it's always the last number in the date. Well, I guess I don't know. I'm just gonna stop that. But okay, and then we do 1 more minute on the boil. It's a boil. All right. But yeah, it's going to be significantly cooler today. Yesterday, I actually walked to the store and it was in, what was it, 91 on the sign down the hill. We've got a utility district down the hill, the North Shore Utility, Public Works, and they've got a gauge that tells you how hot or cold it is, and it's at 91. Let me say it was quite warm. Warm enough. Warm enough to schwizzle your stick, I guess. I don't know what to say. Okay, so there's number 2. Wow, it's only 9 minutes after 9 a.m. And I'm already getting close to done with the second one. That's kind of nice. But yeah, like I said in the last episode, our AC is like, we got to get a new AC because it's leaking. Well, this smells unique. And yeah. Old clay pot. So I finally figured out one of the weird little things about Google Translate. So when it says bubble face, it's saying instant. Like instant noodle. Piping hot. Gotta love that noodle. You know, here's our broth. Now you may remember I said at the outset, this is pickled cabbage fish flavor. It'll be good or bad. It's got a little tanginess to it. God, that's hot. Burning my lips and my mouth. I kind of like that. It's not bad. I don't know what I would really... I gotta say, I like the pickled cabbage beef better. That's not bad. That's interesting. It provides me interest, and that's not a bad thing. But yeah, boy, that was hot. Scallion. Yes. A little bit of seed, I guess. Not really going to go any further than that. I picked this up at 99 Ranch Market. They were having a sale on these, so I got a couple. I did the spicy beef the other day. I did this one. Yeah. I don't know. It's not punching all the boxes for me. Maybe I'll find the pickled cabbage beef variety. Yeah, rotate them. Do your stuff. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see will be one that'll be coming out January 31st of 2020, or no, December 31st, 2025. It will be a red letter day, a beautiful day, a happy day, and you will get to see this. This is the new Bulldog Taco. I don't know if it's going to still be new when you get to see it. I really hope it is. And what I'll do is I'm going to cook it up, do it up all nice, and then, I don't know, in a day or two, I'm going to cook it up and do nothing to it, and then do a mukbang. So there'll be this episode where I do the cooking and garnishing and stuff. That'll come out on New Year's Eve. The mukbang will come out on New Year's Day. Obviously, I won't be doing those on those occasions, but maybe I will. I don't know. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, and bye-bye.